Now what is the question given? A cube of 30 mm side is resting on the top of a cylinder of diameter 50 mm and height 60 mm. Draw the isometric view. Now there are two objects. First is a cube, second is a cylinder. So if I say cube, if you remember, this is a cube and given as 30 mm side, so it means its width, height and length 30, and a cylinder is there, second object, height 60 and diameter 50. We have to place this cube over the cylinder. So if I break this, it is having three parts: base, surface, top. At the base it is having a circle. In place of circle we will draw the ellipse, just like the similar problem we have solved. A cylinder in isometric axis we solve in the same way. Now the cube is having three parts, again base, surface, top. Now base is a square 30 by 30, height 30 and again top 30 by 30. So we will draw this. First we will draw this cylinder, then we will place the cube over the cylinder. So we are using the same method, 4 center method, to draw the ellipse at the base first. I am taking the dimension 40 here, just to make the circle and cube inside the diagram, inside the page. So I am taking, in place of 50 diameter, I am taking 40 just to make it inside the sheet available. Otherwise you have to take the same actual dimension whatever given. Now this is the cylinder. Now we will place cube over the cylinder. Cube is having dimension 30, but I will make a cube of 20. I just have changed the dimension just because space was less, so I have taken the diameter 40, height 50 and cube of 2020. This is the question. I have changed the question only, but in exam whatever the dimension is given, draw it with the exact dimensions. Now the side of cube is for 20, so I have to draw a cube exactly at the mid of 20. Now how to place cube inside the outer square? So for that purpose I need to make the center. So how to make center? We have the four centers, just join them, you will get the center. But all these are construction lines, so make very light line, do not make any line as the dark one. So you get the center. Now from this midpoint, if I have to draw a square of 20 by 20, so means from this point it will be 10 10 four side. So it means from this point I will mark 10 10 in four sides, 10 on this side. This is just similar to the previous question which we have solved, a cube over a rectangular box. The same. In this, we are just ignoring the ellipse, means there is no ellipse over there, and I am taking the outer box only. Till now there is no cylinder, no ellipse. Now after that, what to do? Just parallel to this outer, you have to draw a line just parallel to the outer, this and this parallel. So 10 on this side, 10 on this side. After that, passing from this point which you have marked parallel to the outer, your scale is transparent one, you can see through the scale. So this is, after that, same 10 10 further, and then you can join them passing from the point like this. After that, what to do? This is a cube of 20, so height will also be 20. So from the corners of cube, 4 corners, take 20 height. After that, you have to join the 4 corners of top. Now you have to darken the actual part which is visible. You can make it dark, avoid the double stroke lines, these 3 edges, and this edge will be dark. The outer part of the cube, it will be dark. You are not allowed to erase any of the lines, so all the construction lines should be light. Only this visible part, because when you see from the top a square, it will be visible. Now we have to make the cylinder dark. Only the part of cylinder which is coming out of this cube, only that will be dark. Now we will do dimensioning. So on this part, extension line parallel to the isometric axis, dimension line parallel to the object line, diameter is given 40, so always write 540 like this. Now the height of cylinder, we can give the height to the box. For dimensioning of cube, we can give dimension to any 2 edges. Third, we can represent like a square. Try to give dimension in a continuous way like this. Here it is 20, and on this side I can say square. This is the symbol which is representing 20 by 20. So you can say SQ20 or a symbol of square 20. So this is isometric view of a cube over a cylinder.